Okay, as you can see, I tried everything and nothing works. It just freezes there with nothing working. I cannot bring up Task Manager, I cannot switch screen, I cannot get the mouse to respond, and I can't even turn on the maximum fan setting on the hardware button that should have it, but nothing. Absolutely nothing. It just froze. And just to let you know, power button doesn't work either. Unless, I guess, if I press it for 8 seconds it might work, but I'm not going to do that right now because I'm recording it. Okay.